How to fix can't change my ID username on a RedNote app. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So first of all, for that, go ahead and open RedNote application in your mobile device. So once you open the RedNote app, you want to go ahead and simply log into your RedNote account. Now once you're logged in, simply tap on the me icon at the bottom right corner. So once you're inside the profile section, go ahead and tap on the settings icon and then simply tap on account security. Now, if you cannot change your ID or username on your RedNote app, you want to make sure that you have entered your phone number in this box. So if you have not entered any phone number in your RedNote app, it's not possible. So go ahead and enter your phone number, and with that, you'll then be able to change your username and your ID on RedNote app. That is simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.